Hi, my name is Brian Byers, Employability Manager here at the university. This is just a short video for students who are applying for year-long placement opportunities through our recruit system. So it's just a short guide on how to make those applications to these opportunities. So again, from the home screen here, obviously if we're going to apply for an opportunity, you need to find one. So I'll just go straight into year-long placements and identify a few different opportunities. So as you would expect, there's a few different methods of application. There's actually three. So a lot of employers will ask you to submit a CV and cover letter, and we'll have a look at that, how you do that through Recruit. And that's very straightforward. Some employers will upload an application form, which you will download, complete, and then submit. And then some employers will link you through to their web page so that you can apply through their web page. In particular, a lot of the big companies, because they've obviously got their own websites and own platforms for submitting and managing applications, a lot of the big employers do that. But yeah, it's a bit of a mixture. Probably mainly CVs and linked through to the employer websites to actually apply. So what I'm going to do is just going to pick a few examples. So if I look at this one, say for example, this software developer, and click on this and you view the opportunity information, and then obviously review the information, what the employer requires, what the job entails. Employer contact details are there. And you see at the very bottom here, it tells you how you can apply. What you do, you simply click this button. So we see that the method of application is apply with a PDF CV. So what you do at this point, so the actual process of uploading the CV is very straightforward. It's literally, you click this button, attach your CV and cover letter, and hit submit, and that's it. The employer gets that automatically. But what you'll actually need to do in practice is identify the method of application, review the information that on the requirements, go away and update your CV accordingly. Make sure you're meeting all the criteria, you're addressing all the criteria in your CV and cover letter, you're accessing advice through your placement tutor, through Employability and Careers, put your CV through the VMont platform, which you can access through the Employability portal to really get some feedback on how good that is. So that is the CV method. Click this button, upload a PDF of your CV. It's a PDF because that ensures that the system won't affect the formatting of your CV or cover letter, and it'll still look as good as whenever you actually wrote it yourself. Now, let's pick another opportunity. Just bear with me a second. So if I go back to opportunities and try and find one. So here's one, architectural placement PSNI. So I'm just going straight to the bottom. And this one is application website. So in this instance, the PSNI requires a student to download various documentation to actually complete. So we've set up a mini kind of web page to host that information where you can then access it and obviously complete that information and then submit it. So that's pretty straightforward. And then the final one is just linking through. Let me see if I can find a relevant opportunity here. But the last one, even if I don't find it, it's fine. If I go to this one, it's GE, so big company, I'm going to assume that it's going to be, the method of application is going to be via their website. So if I click on that, now it's obviously saying I'm not a student, so I can't apply, but what will open is simply the employer's information. So that's how you apply through Recruit.